In this problem, we will use the given equation to graph using in slope-intercept form. What we're going to look at is from the given equation, we're going to identify the slope and the y-intercept, and that's going to help us graph. Let's go ahead and get started. In the given equation, y is equal to 1/2 x plus 1. Our slope is 1/2 because it's the coefficient with the variable x, as written in our slope-intercept form over here to the left, and our y-intercept is a positive 1. Now that we have the slope and the y-intercept, let's go ahead and graph it. Using slope-intercept form, we're always going to plot the y-intercept first. So that is going to be a positive 1 on the y-axis. So I'm going to plot it right here. And then step 2 says use slope to plot additional points. So my slope is 1/2. Remember, slope is considered rise over run. So 1/2 means I will rise 1 and run 2 because it's a fraction. 1/2, rise over run means rise 1, run 2. So from my y-intercept of 1, I will use the slope and make the rest of the points on my line. I'm going to rise 1, so I'll go up 1, and then run 2 to the right 2. 1, 2, and plot my point. To continue this, I can continue going rise 1, run 2, rise 1, run 2. If you ever wanted to make points on the left side of your y-intercept, just go back to your y-intercept and do just the opposite of rising and running. So in this case, in these points on the right side, we went up 1 and right 2. So to mirror that, we're going to go down 1 and to the left 2 to continue these points. So down 1 to the left 2. 1, 2. Once you have some points, you can go ahead and connect your points using a straight edge. I don't have a straight edge, so it's a little crooked. But hopefully on a piece of graph paper, it might look a little nicer for you.